In this video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your private playlist private from everybody who wants to see them or don't see them. So let's get started. So first, you want to do is look on the right. You see your channel icon, and then go to your channel. And then you see these two settings: Edit Channel and Manage Videos. You want to go to Edit Channel, and then scroll down. Now you want to scroll down here, and you see Privacy. Keep all my descriptions private, and keep all my shape playlists private. If you had this enabled, then nobody can see your playlist. But since I'm a YouTuber, I'm gonna go ahead and enable it so you can watch the playlist. Now, if you want this one of your playlists private, then watch this video coming up. It will teach you how to do that.